Hey YouTube, it's me again. Today I'm gonna bring you I'm gonna bring you an idea that I had. It's my rabbit. He's trying to break out of his pen. Anyway, I was thinking about making a wiki for my channel, Ultra Star Wars Fan. I just thought about it. I think it's a good idea, and yeah, so I might make a Ultra Star Wars Fan wiki, maybe when I'm done with my Master Steve wiki, because again, it is kind of, for all, my character's story is kind of long. That's what she said, by the way. Yeah, so anyway, tell me if you think this is a good idea and if I should follow through with it. Because I think it's a good idea, and I can show you all the videos I made if you haven't seen them, and I could give you the links to them so you could watch it, stuff like that. So yeah, tell me your thoughts and opinions below in the comment section, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye, YouTube.